Moving to Presidio County, forget electronic voting. A certain group of voters there kicking it old school, casting a ballot from a makeshift cardboard box. It's a polling station complete with a folding chair. Local 2's Jenna Sands spoke with a Republican voter who says there was nothing super about where he voted Super Tuesday. Jenna joins us live tonight.
Stephanie, like you said, in some counties, it's hard to not find a voting location. And I couldn't blame anyone for thinking, are you sure people were voting out of a cardboard box in Marfa? Well, I made the calls, and now you truly can believe it when you see it.
Well, we walk in, and we knew it was a Democrat location. We asked where the Republican location would be to vote that day. And they said, we have no idea.
Something that was quite a shock for Vernon Rawson and the small percentage of Republican voters looking for a correct polling location on Super Tuesday in Presidio County.
Don't have a lot of choices.
Rawson says he found out the hard way that in Marfa, Texas, you either vote at the fire station or outside at this makeshift voting center.
And there was a big cardboard box with a chair in front of it and a pen inside.
Taken aback, Rawson stunned, but said he made his way to the booth to make sure his vote was in.
Filled out stuck our head in the cardboard box, filled out the form, folded them up, walked back. I was behind her, and I could hardly get my ballot into this crude ballot box.
In other basin counties during the primaries, all voters get handed their party's ballot. Polling centers aren't separated by Democratic or Republican. Seems like in Presidio County, they do things a little different than the norm.
Now, several years ago, we're very small. One of the local Republican leaders held it in their own home, the primary.
But the cardboard box was something he just couldn't believe.
Well, I jumped to conclusions, as I often do. Well, so much for Republicans voting in Marfa. You could get rained on or blown away. Not even a tent or one of those canopies. Nothing out there.
Now, in the future, Vernon is certain they'll have a better voting location before November. And next time you go to cast your ballot, be glad you are not voting in a cardboard box. Jenna Sands, Local 2 News.